video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a classic heat map using Alteryx. In Alteryx, connect to the data source by using the Input Data tool. I'm using the sample superstore dataset, which contains information such as sales and profit of products from different categories. Next, drag the interactive chart from the Reporting tab into the workflow, and then select Configure Chart button to create a heat map. Inside the configuration window, click Add Layer button and select Heat Map as the type, Segment as the x-axis, Subcategory as the y-axis, and Sales for the z-axis. So to view the heat map, we can drag the Browse tool into the workflow and click Run. As you can see over here, Alteryx has created a classic heat map. We can also save the heat map in a PDF document by using the Render tool. The heat map is saved in a PDF document, which will be useful for reporting purposes.